Hi friends, good morning. I'm happy to share few things. Things means this is books actually. I would like to show you books of the business of 21st century. Actually what is happening and what the conspiracy is going on with your life. That's very important to go through. It's our life. And we have purpose in life to protect ourselves, our family, and our country, the mankind. All these things is written in all the books. And if we're looking for something different to do, something to build life, all the information is available. That आपको खोजना है. The business of 21st century. This book is, I showed you this 21st century business. What is written here is that trading your time for money. We are all trading for your money, trading your time for money for somebody else. But you can use your time for yourself by having a self-education, learning the purpose of life, all the things at our hands. And that trading your time for money, there no longer such a thing as a safe and secure job. If you're in a job, no way. It had changed. Take control of your future. It's written in this book. Financial disaster, caused by our educational system. Financial disaster is happening because they teach us to work, to sell our time, to sell our life. And now what happened? It's deadlock now in our life. Now, if you want a solid future, you need to create it. You can take charge of your future only when you take control of your income source. You need your own business. And now it's a recession period. Now, a recession is the best time to start your own business. Bad news is the good news. Recession, bad news, but we can convert this dissatisfactions to the inspirational dissatisfaction. And you will learn lots of things. You need your own business, right? So, in times of economic uncertainty, people get creative. Listen, people get creative. In times of economic uncertainty, they break out of their comfort zone and take initiative to help make ends. When the going gets tough, the tough gets going. It's your important part is where you are, what you are thinking at this present moment. You are waiting and expecting they अपने आप ठीक हो जाएगा or you will do for something for your life. Dale Carnegie in this book, how to stop worrying and start living. Agar if you are worried about your future, what is that? Then this is the book you should read. And another book I'd like to ask you to go through, Network of Champion, said Hamstetter. This is the right time. You can go, and what is written in here, I will read for you. There may be no greater service you can perform for the betterment of your life, your family, your community, your country, and for the betterment of mankind than to be a positive, active member of the Amway organization. है नहीं Amway जो balancing life and giving all money, time, security, relation with family, freedom, moving around the world, what a dream up जो है, you can fulfill your dream, क्या है? Only you need to learn how you can create, how you can have, how you can conceive your dream. अगर if you are looking, अपने आप नहीं होगा ना, you have to go and search. This books is, have you gone through these books? No. You should, I will say. Then the magic of thinking big. This one. It has changed my life, lots of people's life. आपको जाना चाहिए इस तरह के पढ़िए. Then you see lots of CDs regarding our life, and people prove it. Already they gone ahead with beautiful life, and let us follow and take their habit. Learn what is the habit is we need to change. No. अभी भी you are in just the same situation, same thinking thought process, and अभी भी you are looking for that something going to change through our government, through our it's not going to. Never. सुनिए and देखिए अच्छा से. What you see, what you listen. चिंता करिए आपके लिए, आपका फैन. दिस इज राइट टाइम. नहीं तो वो किताब जो मैं आपको बोलता था ना, द ग्रेटेस्ट सेल्समैन इन द वर्ल्ड, वो बोला है ना कि स्लॉटर हाउस, इफ यू आर नॉट टेकिंग चार्ज ऑफ योर लाइफ एंड फैमिली, वी आर प्रोसीडिंग टूवर्ड्स ए स्लॉटर हाउस. एंड ये जो लाइक ए चिप ना, जो उसका चिप हार्ट है जो कंट्रोल करता है. हु इज कंट्रोलिंग यू? We are born free. I always like to share all these things with you. Maybe you are not taking care of listen or ponder. I don't know. But one thing keep in mind, my friend. This business, this message is my purpose to give because of this I myself have changed my life and my family, and we are in a good stage where it is happiness and helping people, loving people are there, and आप भी कर सकते हो. My background is nothing. It was nothing. Now this is I always tell that creating. I have created my another life, and you can do it. Or you can always maybe आप बोर हो गए हो same thing सुनते सुनते. यही चीज है. Base is very think good, see good, think good, see good, say good, do good, listen good, all good, work good, life will going to be good. आपको आपका जो एक्सपीरियंस है वो आपको जो है, प्लीज डोंट टेक पर्सनली. आप वो दूसरों को काम करने के लिए है, आपके लिए. व्हाट अबाउट योर सेल्फ? आप क्या सोचते हो रिगार्डिंग व्हाट व्यू यू हैव गॉट, व्हाट द सेल्फ एस्टीम यू आर गेटिंग, हाउ मच यू लाइक योर फ्रीडम. And you can take control of your life through thought process and thinking. You can do lots of things. What you are thinking about children, you are not in a safe position, but you are criticizing all the time other people, saying oh उसको क्या गलती हो गया कहाँ. You are just वो गलती ढूंढने वाला आदमी हो. You need to be good finder. एक आदमी का अगर 10 चीज भी अगर कहीं में है, one quality is good, 9 quality is not good, you be just focused on the good thing. Because of you, why you will be good finder? Because of your. आप अगर जहर खाएंगे तो you are killing yourself slowly, and वही चीज आपको दे सकते हो. बिकॉज अंदर में आपका जहर ही है, your hatred है, jealousy है. You cannot appreciate. You have not learned to appreciate anybody. So jealous that over whatever your competition, that is your burden you are carrying. Let us be happy, जो भी है. If you something learn good. मैं अभी आपके साथ में जो बात करता हूँ, कुछ अच्छा लगे ना लगे, आप देखेंगे. आप वो मैंने स्पेलिंग कैसे, प्रोनाउंसिएशन कैसे किया, अरे ये आदमी भी. बट वन थिंग, यही चीज विचार से मेरा जिंदगी 360 डिग्री चेंज किया है. You will never know how much God has given every month, and the monetary wise, the family life building. आगे नहीं ठीक था. अभी now we are very known to each other. हम अभी enjoy कर रहे हैं life, togetherness ना रहने के लिए. My children are happy because not that I am a very good man. They are happy that we are not their liabilities. है ना. उन लोग they are very confident. Okay, our parents are self-sufficient. है ना. Where you are heading? Come on. Learn and do this MOA business. Through the MOA business, you can save your life. अभी आपको if anything stopping you, आप बात करिए. let us talk, है ना, instead of looking. अगर थोड़ा भी जलन चल रहा है ना, that is you are in a fry pan. आप खुद को फ्राई कर रहे हो. Feel happy, feel good. That is the first step. Life is beautiful. Always say what affirmation is going on inside you. This you are creating only through by thought process and thinking. Learn. I am nobody. But the truth is little thinking and changing my buying habit, make my self-discipline, and I am always have this positive thinking, affirmation. It's an amazing change, and I have purpose. Lots of people's in our group changed their life. You have changed, na? कुछ भी हो ना, थोड़ा सीखा के भाई, now you don't think that you are the all everything. Together we are everything. Together, individually, no. Again, what you will play, what you will do, you are going to pay the price. The price will be maybe good or bad, and that is in your hand. Be careful. Go ahead. Thank you very much.